story teaches kids the importance of sharing and how it can lead to wonderful friendships. Luna the lobster lived in a cozy crevice under a giant coral reef. She loved collecting shiny pebbles and sparkly seashells, but Luna kept them all to herself. She felt shy and worried other sea creatures wouldn't want to be her friend. One sunny afternoon, a playful group of hermit crabs scuttled by Luna's crevice. They were excitedly chattering about a shimmering treasure they had found, a giant clam filled with glowing pearls. Luna peeked out, mesmerized by the light emanating from the pearls. She had never seen anything so beautiful. But then she quickly retreated back into her crevice. Sharing her treasures felt too scary. Later that day, a strong current swept through the reef, scattering the hermit crabs and sending the glowing pearls rolling all over. The crabs scurried about, frantically searching for their lost treasure. Luna, watching from her safe haven, felt a pang of sympathy. She knew exactly where some of the pearls were hidden. Overcoming her shyness, Luna slowly emerged and pointed a claw towards the scattered pearls. The hermit crabs were overjoyed. They thanked Luna profusely and gathered the treasures back together. Filled with gratitude, they invited Luna to join their game of hide-and-seek amongst the coral. At first, Luna hesitated, but then, seeing the warmth in the crab's eyes, she agreed. She spent the rest of the afternoon playing, laughing, and sharing stories with her new friends. Luna realized sharing her treasures had brought her much more joy than keeping them all to herself. From that day on, Luna wasn't lonely anymore. She shared her beautiful collection with her new friends, and they, in turn, shared their adventures and discoveries with her. Luna learned that sharing wasn't scary at all. It opened the door to wonderful friendships and countless happy memories.